Toyota manufacturing brand new spare for old Landcruisers. Toyota announced the happy news for their users about reproducing brand new spare parts for old vehicles. 1 second before we start the video, kindly subscribe to this channel. That will motivate us to make more videos like this. Your support is very important for us. Only you can help us to reach the next milestone. Now, let's get started. Especially a 60-year-old Landcruiser, that means 40 series Landcruiser, which was produced between 1960 and 1984. People who seek for renovating their old Landcruiser, this is for you. Now you can renovate with new spares. Parts which include engines, drivelines and exhausts will be produced by Toyota Gazoo Racing. Expecting sales by the beginning of next year. Toyota also provides an option for people can send the request about reproduction of particular spare parts on Toyota's website. This will be really helpful for the company about what are the things actually people need for their vehicle's renovation, so the company can reproduce in their next production. Toyota Gazoo Racing already supplied heritage parts for the A70 and A80 Supra and the 2000 GT. But this is the first time it is reproducing spare parts for the Landcruiser. What do you think about this? Let me know this by commenting below. I would love to see them. I can go through your comments and share my feedback. Thanks for watching this video completely. Kindly subscribe to this channel and hit the like button. Thanks again, have a great day.